In this video, we will show you how to blur image or photos on Canva. To blur image or photos on Canva, it's very easy. First, you need to create a project. Okay, for example, I'm creating a presentation here. And for example, you already have the photo and I already have the image here. Okay, this is as my photo or image. I want to blur only face. This the method one, or the second ones, I want to blur the whole image. How to do that? First, you need to using the edit button here. Make sure you active on the image or photo you have. Just click edit after that. Okay. After you click this edit button, please choose FX effects and you will see there is blur in here. If you don't see the blur, you can just scroll like this and you will see blur here. And after that, there is two options. You can blur the part of your image or you can blur the whole image. For example, I want to blur the face, and the second we will try to blur the whole image. How to do that? To blur the face, we can increase the brush size. Okay, you can see the brush size is appear on the center of your image. For example, we need just the big as this face. We can try to blur by clicking. Okay, click with hold, you can see now the image is successfully blurred. You can add again if it is not enough. Now we successfully blur the image or the part of the image, and you can also remove blur. Okay, all of the blur or just part of the blur like this. Okay, this is the part, and if you want to remove all blur, just click this button. And then how to blur the whole image? To blur the whole image, you can just click this option and you can select intensity. You can see after enough and you want to save your blur image, you can just click back button here and then you successfully blur your image on Canva. And that's all tutorial how to blur image on Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.